Here at LiveBlog, we recently worked with Eurovision to put together this great live coverage. Eurovision used visual cues like Unicode icons and GIFs to keep their posts fresh and interesting. Let's do the same together right now. Say I've been tasked with covering the grand final and I want to let my readers know what's going on. The post I have is pretty clear, but I want to convey some of that pre-show anticipation. I'll head to a Unicode site and find the image I'm after. Once I've found it, I can copy it to my clipboard. Back in LiveBlog, I'll simply paste it here, and there it is. Let's have a look at what it looks like for the reader when it's published. As you can see, the Unicode icon shows up nicely, and there you have it. To add a GIF to my LiveBlog post, I can head to a site like Giphy. Once I've found the GIF that I like, I can copy and paste its URL straight into the embedded content field in LiveBlog and publish it straight away. And that's it. 2 ways to introduce fun visual elements into your LiveBlog posts without any fuss or technical know-how. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep live blogging.